can't stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid, freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing I'm squeezing. Yeah, see goals said I'm doing I'm sneezing. No, said them balls said I'm doing I'm teasing. More per drink but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer bad news but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. From you see the face and you hear the voice now you don't know a Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And today we have 6-7, Dimzy, Monkey, SJ, plugged in with Fumez. You don't know 6-7 are my favorite group in a drill already. They're my first drill group I listen to. I'm gonna stop listening to them from then. You know the young youth them forward up with Silent and AK and Dope Smoke and PR and you understand? So, you know when I waste too much time, check out the freestyle, check out the gaming channel and follow me on Instagram. And you don't know, I could jump in it.
Alright, Fumez, you're plugged in with some real drillers right now. You understand? OSG, jump out gang.
For the fucking members, come on.
Yeah?
6-7. You already know how we do it in style. 2 waps deep, man, do it in style. He got shot with 2 and your man's got shaved times 2. Fucking know that's wild.
Ooh.
Watch get done, then he made a whole mixtape tweaking how.
Ooh.
I'm a winner with a 40 bait. Jump out gang, you know the 40 bowed. Big men running and diving walls, they leave their friends, I see it's foul. We just jumped back in the dinger and bro's trying to ling out the window again. Trying to scramble your homie's egg with these flat heads. Scrambled egg. Your man's was tweaking, now he's a Z. The 60s done it on bike, done it in cars, done it on peds. We got down, done it and fled. They only talk bad on the gang cause all of them felt some pain and bled. Got done trying to copy my phone. The guys left the in the mess.
Diamonds twerk like a bitch on a pole. This a family, bitch me a roll. Used to hit shots to the back of the road, the front of the alley, you know how it goes. Told they wash on a man's block touring, lit it up like we started some coal. You ain't lucky like get shot and you go talking hammers, we copped it in low. Lost waps, I had to get some more. The ops just rap, they ain't even a score. Too much chat, come rise some more. Multiple dead I can name, but blood in, blood out. My nigga screw had wax from run outs. Minimum step, pee up all the wap out. Smoked the L when your homie tapped out.
Who can tell me what I've been outside? I wet man up. I've con on ops numerous times. Have you seen con hit man and make man jump? He's with Scotty and he turned runts. Look like you try keep it quiet, but free my ski cause he chefed her up. Just the other day man jumped on. He made the cabman swerve and dust. You know getting man down is essential. Man's only got fear of God. Take the risk, ain't new to the man them. Try know that we been them tugs. When you wake up, do you get to the bag? Cause you can't be at war if you got no funds. No, that can't work, my G. I heard the ops were murder week. Cause we all beat corners personally. That rap ain't mash no work, so the way they rap tread carefully. It was all this and that next thing, they'll need help urgently. Hell up, had surgery, a good few went permanently.
Fumez, the engineer.
Glass of water 2 out now. 3 all the guys, 3 Skib, 3 M, 3 C rolls, 3 ASAP, 3 ST,
You know, a lot of
3
people
itch.
ask us, how is CDOT funded? Where do you get your money from?
3
The
Smokey.
simple answer,
Free all of them.
Scratched off from the car, not keyed it. Each and every the words, man, mean it. If it's live, you know it got beated. The gear had the whistle and he got deleted. Can't ask me if I...
dog! This beat, bro. Hold on, them man.
3 Smokey.
the simple answer,
Scratched off from the car, not keyed it. Each and every the words, man, mean it. If it's live, you know it got beated. The gear had the whistle and he got deleted. Can't ask me if I saw, I ain't seen it. No one ain't rubbed, we undefeated. Countless man got caught and pleaded. Headshot ching and his scalp receding. We take risks like bro from Brompton. Got bun and he almost rubbed out. Got chefed and cut out. Nosy lads, he's done out. 4-4, spun and dropped. Thought he's hitting a shot. Thought it was a scrum and guess what, man, them still got the thoughts.
No debate, when we step on your block, we just trying to put one on the top. Bro got locked, cause he made stop, took him out of a frame, he got cropped. Tore your block like we came to
Oh,
Bangkok.
man, nah, monkey's rude, fam. You see the nah, monkey's rude, bro. You see that?
What, man, them still got the thoughts.
No debate, when we step on your block, we just trying to put one on the top. Bro got locked, cause he made stop, took him out of a frame, he got cropped. Tore your block like we came to Bangkok. Ain't got no gloves, then we grip it with socks. Talking war, then my brothers, we move like the SWAT. Hop out our whips, let it rock. Yo, I got faith in bro and his foot down scurrying. Turn a Nissan to a German. for the truck, not suburban. Check the alleys, when we swerving, ain't tryna hit up an innocent person. Pop smoke, we ain't into cursing. Politics, you gon' need a surgeon.
No. I'll protect that flow again, fam.
Hop out, I wish let it rock. Yo, I got faith in bro and his foot down skirting. Turn a Nissan to a German for the truck, not suburban. Check the alleys when we swerving, ain't tryna hit up an innocent person. Pop smoke, we ain't into cursing. Politics, you gon' need a surgeon.
When catfish gangs on a hunt, it's the first to get done. Thought he was gonna get top, but he got himself, didn't get slop. You know what, coming if you get us a drop. Wherever you are, man's riding along. Carbine strong, no ping pong. Fling it, we're gone. 60s roll anywhere, gang it. Yeah, man's got. What you know about sliding the ops, taping it up, slide back and check if it's locked. He got, and he got, and he got. The list is long, I'll be here all day just naming ops.
Two-step on your block, all fun that works. Either way, take risk and prosper. No fist fight, man ain't a boxer. Grab the boots, let's play some soccer. On attack, like Mbappe, blicking my hand as I hop out the passy. Anything
No, Monkey, I got too hard to them, bro. I want go on. Somebody piss him off.
Works either way, take risk.
Walla. No, man.
Naming ops.
Listen.
Two-step on your block, all fun that works. Either way, take risk and prosper. No fist fight, man ain't a boxer. Grab the boots, let's play some soccer. On attack, like Mbappe, blicking my hand as I hop out the passy.
Grab the boots. I ain't playing soccer. On attack, like Mbappe. Fam, it's too much.
Two-step on your block, all fun that works. Either way, take risk and prosper. No fist fight, man ain't a boxer. Grab the boots, let's play some soccer. On attack, like Mbappe, blicking my hand as I hop out the passy. Anything get smoked like Kelly. The gang seem home through L3 Mali.
Wagwan for these dickheads. The 6 ain't felt no get back. Then he meant that, all that rap cat, man can't respect that. 2 wax, me and M3. Should I paint that block with a head back? Nearly all the man then went bin and they thought was done. That's how mine are set back.
Everyone knows that I love me some runts. He was tweaking away, now he's nothing but runts. Skunk. Took shots to the face, to the chest. No, he ain't thinking, Rummy got. We done how we done up. You know, we left them drunk.
Fumez, the engineer.
You see it feels like like you didn't even want to say that. Nah, yo, man, I tell you, bro. Every plugged in with C dot on any other beat, them, bro. Gone clear like Montclair, bro. Gone clear like Montclair, bro. See that man I put out some different type of beat right now. I don't know if our Fumez I pick them for the anyway. See that? Big up yourself and Vinny, big up yourself. Fumez, Dimzy, SJ and Monkey, big up on yourself. Plugged in, dog. Never disappoint, dog. You understand? But you don't know. I forget this a rating. Cause this tough. Alright, if I give this a rating, I give it a 9 or 8. Because of all of the censoring. But yeah, with me, dog, the censoring kind of take away from the flow of the thing, them, dog. You understand? But, still tough. Still, I go listen to it, so I go download it. I go download it right now. You understand? But you don't know, a Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel. You see me? Yeah, check out the freestyle, check out the gaming channel, and follow me on Instagram and Cogency. And I'm out, motherfucker. Peace. Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. Yeah, see goals, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them balls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating.